Hello everyone, it's Monika here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with this Die Cutting Essentials magazine issue 119. I've got a subscription for this magazine, so when I received it I was really happy because this die set by Hanky Dory is so pretty, and there are also some papers and toppers you can print off from this magazine. I'm going to include the link to this magazine and to those toppers so you can check it out, and they're super cute, and I love those embossed details. So I'm going to show you the magazine as well. Just flick through the magazine, and I've got a card, like a very quick and easy card, which I'm going to make with this set and some elements from those free downloadable papers and toppers. So to show you, and that's the front cover, you can see some nice inspiration on it, and there are really a lot of information and inspiration, and some money off coupons as well, so you can see some step-by-step how to put those gnomes together, and these are really nice. And I love this technique with heat embossing as well, so there are lots of nice articles, and you can find fantastic new products like Chloe's creative cards. They released new Christmas collection and it's so cute. I love those Santa's boots, and those inspirations are really nice. So you can find a lot of nice things in this magazine, more inspirations with those gnomes. And what else? I think we had, let me see again, looking through very quickly. I think we had the card makers of the year, or maybe it wasn't in this magazine. And next month they're going to have spellbinders, lovely ice skates as well. I can see some poinsettias and some beautiful papers as well, so I'm looking forward to this issue because I've seen those ice skates. Let me bring them closely. So this is the free gift next month, so I can't wait for that. So this is the magazine, that's the free gift. I already used those, and that's what I print off. I only print off 2 sheets because, as you can see, I cut out myself a background already, and I'm going to use some sentiments. I don't know which one yet. And I use my new die set, which I really wanted to get, and because I got some sparkle points for my birthday last week, I got this die set from Chloe's, and I love it because this one is big die set, scalloped and stitched, like a pierced effect, nesting dies. Love it, and I'm going to use it in today's video. So let me put it together. So let me show you what I used. I used Century Pearl pink and blue and white, and I added some cut out those bows. The nose is just a cream color, so that's what I created, and I've done them last night because I really wanted to add that chunky glitter, which I bought actually on car boot sale. So I love this one. So these are ready, and I cut myself those 2 scallops, which are 6 inches across and 1 size smaller. This is the background, and let me create the card base first. So probably you've seen me doing this many times before. I need my my scoreboard. I'm a bit yeah, off today because I'm thinking about packing. We are going away, and I still have got some of the things to do, but I thought I really want to record it before I go away, but my mind is on actually packing and doing check-ins and stuff, so I might be short forwards today maybe. So I'm going to cut off a little bit just to create myself a straight line for my card, not to wobble, because I want my card to be standing up really nicely. I didn't think about that, but because of the scallops, I have to line it up. So let's see if it's going to work. You see, I did not consider that, but I hope it should be okay. Hopefully it will. Let me see. I need my guillotine back because I'm thinking that it actually should be this way. Yes, hopefully this way will be better. So now I'm going to glue those two pieces together to create myself a base. This one is quite thick card, so I need to make sure that I actually burnish it really well. So hopefully this one will be quick, because as you can see, I've got most of those elements ready, and I'm going to line it up this way. Make sure that those scalloped edges, because if I had the same color at the back of my card, I wouldn't worry that much, but I wanted to have white card just to have enough and nice space to write the wishes. So now I've got that ready. I'm going to put something heavier on top of this card because it's quite it wobbles a little bit. So now I'm going to add here that mat, which I print off. I put that white spot here, lighter area, so I really wanted to have it at the bottom of my card. So as you can see, the main colors are pink and blue, and a lot of nice snowflakes. So let me put this card so I can see the straight line. Okay, that's fine. Oh, sorry, I just knocked the camera a little bit. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add here those gnomes. And what do I want to do? Let me think about how I want to position them. I want the male to be here and the female. So I'm going to adhere him completely flat, and I'm going to raise the other gnome. They look so cute. So this one is very quick and easy card with only the elements from those downloadables. I need some foam pads. I had them somewhere. See, I need to find them now. So I got some foam pads. And I think, oh, those three will be enough. And now I'm going to add a little bit of glue just to make it stronger. Going to put her just here. So she's a little bit raised, he's behind. And now I need a sentiment. I need a sentiment which isn't maybe... I need something which is either darker blue. I think I will go for Merry and Bright, because I think this one will look nice. Now to cut it straight. It's not that easy, but I will try to manage. I usually would do it off camera, but I'm just not going to stop it now. Just going for it. Now I'm thinking to add some sparkles as well. It's quite long and it doesn't fit that great. I might use this one. Merry Christmas. No, I just wanted to put something here. Let's try this one. Let's see. This one might be actually the right sentiment for that space. See, I didn't actually consider the space. I thought that long sentiment will be just right, but it isn't. It doesn't look nice. At least I don't like it. Focusing on cutting straight, and I'm happy with that. I think I will be happy with this. And what I'm going to do, I will add some foam pads as well, because I think it needs to be raised a little bit. I think I'm going to put quite a lot of foam pads just to make it really nice and sturdy. Okay, that's fine. I would actually add some more embellishments, but I think I will have a look if I've got a nice sequins as well to add to this card. So let's see. Yes, adding a little bit of glue. Oh, making sure that everything is straight, because it might not be. I want to just tuck it under a little bit. Yeah, I think that's nice. Let me see. I need some sparkles. Definitely need something. I've got those sequins here. Let's see which ones I'm going to use. And other bits and pieces as well. Let's see if I like those purple ones. Yes, I think these are quite nice. Or should I use those white ones? But I've got those see-through ones, but I'm running very low on those. No, I think I will go for those. These are my favorite, actually. Yes, I like it. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue and a little bit of glue here. And now I can just push it so it's going to stick nicely. And I think I like it. I like it a lot. I might actually add some more embellishments, but I think for now, let me see through the camera. Oh, yeah, I think I like it. I like it. That's nice and cute, and it will fit a standard envelope. Do I have an envelope handy? No, I don't, but it's 6 inches, so it should fit. So this is my card created with those 3 gifts from this die cutting essential issue 119. If you have this magazine, I would love to see what kind of projects you're going to create with those gnomes, or maybe you don't have it, but because of this tutorial you might actually get it for yourself. You can get it from Craft Stash or some supermarkets, and maybe WH Smith, and most of supermarkets, they do have those magazines. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know what do you think about this card. Write me some comments. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing so you're not going to miss new upcoming videos from me. So thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely evening, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye for now.